I love when, like, Tasha K, I watch Tasha K, by the way. She was like, What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video. This video is going to be on Firstleaf. I got a new Firstleaf box right here. Firstleaf is a wine club. It is a wine subscription, and it is one of my favorite things. They basically send you a box of wine. You go online, you sign up, you take a quiz. You take a quiz based on your wine preferences, and they curate you a box. A box of wine. You can customize how often you get the box and how many bottles of wine you get. But I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I'm gonna open up this box. It comes FedEx, and they do have a no content shipping thing going on right now because of the Rona. But this is like perfect now too, I think, because can't nobody go nowhere. So, you know, they can ship your bottle of wine, you can ship your drink to you. You don't have to do much but wait on it. I have been expecting this box for some time. And it's real cute on the inside. I'm gonna try to show y'all. That's what it looks like. It has a little thank you here. I don't know if y'all can read that. I'm dropping things. And it says, what's next on this side? Try, rate, and refine. Also, I wanted to add that you can go in, and after you've tasted a box, after you've consumed each bottle, I guess, or tasted each wine, you can definitely go on and rate it. I don't know if y'all can see that. I just want you guys to see how it's packaged. Boom. So there's 2 levels, and there's 3 more wines underneath these. I'm gonna go through these first. The best thing I would say about this, one of the best things about Firstleaf, I think is, I can't get situated. One of the best things about Firstleaf is that they get you into tasting wines that you would not have tasted otherwise. And they like put you on the wines that you don't know nothing about. I think that with Firstleaf, I discovered Malbecs. And Malbecs are like, right now, they're like my top wine. I usually go Pinot Grigio, Cabernet Sauvignon, but like Firstleaf sent me a Malbec, and I fell in love immediately. But these are the postcards. They came in this envelope. These are the postcards. They got cute little pictures of provinces and things on there. I like these a lot. They give you a little outside, which is what I feel like we need right now. But let's go through these wines. So on the front, they have all the information on each wine. And so I got Mirs Carm Monastrell. It is from Spain. It is a full fruity red blend. It has the profile, the body, the acidity, the sweetness, the fruit, and the tannin on here. It has what you should pair it with. This is paired well with pork shoulder, pork sausage, and barbecue short ribs. 13% alcohol, and it is 2018. But that is Monastrell. Mirs Carm, I know I'm chopping it up. A sun worshiper. The grape thrives in the heat to create a fruit-forward red with a generous hint of spice. Prepare to discover dark fruit flavors or of black cherry, pomegranate, and plum combined with decadent notes of bittersweet chocolate. You'll pick up plenty of spice too, with moments of cardamom and clove. It's at once new and familiar. This wine pairs perfectly with an evening by the barbecue. Ooh, serve with pork sausage or short ribs and watch it quickly become a firm favorite among your friends. I probably won't be pairing these correctly. I'm just gonna drink them. They also have notes down at the bottom that you can write down. I'm not a sommelier. Is it sommelier or sommelier? I'm not one of those though. The next one is Luxana. I love the packaging. Luxana. Now let's find Luxana. She's a Sauvignon Blanc. I don't typically like Sauvignon Blancs, but I have to say that with Firstleaf, they are like the stuff that I don't usually drink, the stuff that I'm receiving that I don't usually drink is tasting on point. It's like maybe I've just been drinking the wrong Sauvignon Blanc. They sending me the right Sauvignon Blanc. So this is Luxana. She is 2018 and she is from Lake County, California. I like my wines imported, not domestic, but I'm sure it'll be good. Best pairings are with creamy pasta, caprese salad, and breaded calamari. And she has 14% alcohol. She's from Lake County. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like her though. I'm gonna go ahead and read it. This Sauvignon Blanc thrived in the warmth of Lake County's high elevation vineyards, creating a rare California wine. Hanging on the wine at a high elevation means that these grapes spend most of their time basking in the sunshine and developing tropical flavors. But this same altitude allows them to retain their acidity, something that shines through every step. It has a crisp lemon-lime zest that meets more tropical flavors of pineapple, passion fruit, and papaya. See? Now I think this might be a winner. This fruity combination makes for a vibrant wine, perfect for serving out on the patio, enjoying a hearty helping of creamy pasta, or opt for a freshly prepared caprese salad. It's branded, it says Firstleaf at the top. The next one is Scissor Kick Cellars. These are, I think all of these are from 2018. This one is from Western Australia. So Scissor Kick Cellars, Sauvignon Blanc, another Sauvignon Blanc, Semillon, I don't know. It says, explore Australia's natural beauty in this expertly crafted blend. Scissor Kick Cellars knows how to make Australia sing in every wine, and this Sauvignon Blanc Semillon blend. Semillon, I know I'm chopping it up, I'm sorry, is no exception. It comes from Margaret River, one of the best regions in the country, and is made in the style of New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc with a refreshing grassy aspect and notes of whetstone, lime, and grapefruit. See, I'm here for the grapefruit and the lime, actually. That sounds like a good drink, a good summer drink. But what makes this wine truly stand out is an impeccable balance. Grown only 3 miles from the ocean, the grapes are picked in the dead of night to retain their acidity. That, combined with full fruity flavors, make this a wine you'll keep coming back to. Embrace the grapes' oceanside origins and enjoy with a fresh plate of breaded calamari. But I don't like my seafood breaded. I don't like breaded shrimp. I don't like breaded calamari. I like my calamari grilled. This Scissor Kick is best paired with fried calamari, oysters, and tuna sashimi. The alcohol percentage is 13.4. And this is from 2018. And there's another. This is like my 5th box. I've been trying to save these wines. I cannot tell a lie. Like, I've been trying to save the wines so that I can just like start stockpiling wines so I can have me a nice little wine cellar, but that is not working. I think that the way that I'm probably gonna use this is I'll buy the boxes of wine, right? I'll keep getting the monthly boxes of wine, And then my favorites, I will start to just purchase. I guess I had to drink them to figure out which ones I like, huh? So this is Butler and Thief Pinot Noir. This is from Central Coast, California. She's from 2018. This one is best paired with salmon, roasted chicken, and mushroom risotto. The wine percentage, the alcohol percentage is 14.5. So it says, steal a sip of this hand-selected Pinot Noir from California's Central Coast. Complexity in wine can come from the weather, the vineyards, the winemaker, or pure luck. Whoever writes these is pretty talented, I have to say. The most exquisite complexity comes from all four. The Butler and Thief... I'm sorry. The name is getting me. The Butler and Thief Pinot Noir is a blend of select Pinot Noir parcels from up and down the Central Coast. Each vineyard tells a different story, with high elevation vineyards providing fruit that has rich acidity and the grapes from the valley floor bringing ripe red fruit flavors. The blend is spectacular and has notes of strawberry, compote, raspberry, and rhubarb pie that play off of herbs, cedar, and graphite. It's an amazing wine that teases out its flavors slowly, unfurling new notes with every sip. I think I'm gonna like this one a lot. That is the Butler and Thief. Next, we're gonna do, it's a Zinfandel, the Tailored Republic. So this one, ooh, I can't be dropping one. This one is from Sonoma County, California. She is from 2018. Best paired with charcuterie, dry aged steak, beef bourguignon. Alcohol percentage is 16.5. So this one says, wine is not a thing that exists in a vacuum. There are trends, styles, and one-off projects that showcase different aspects of a wine. Zinfandel can be many things, but most often it's spicy, jammy, and simple. The Tailored Republic Zinfandel is not simple. It's closer to the 100-point Turley than to a 1-point Spice Bomb. It's big and powerful, but not cooked or jammy. The wine is cohesive, and it's apparent the fruit was grown on old vines and picked at the perfect time. So that's the Tailored Republic Zinfandel. This one is 2018, and it is from South Africa. Alcohol percentage is 13. This one says it creates long days and cool nights to make a pinotage. Is it pinotage? It takes long days and cool nights to make a pinotage. I like pinotage better, so I'm gonna go with pinotage. It takes long days and cool nights to make a pinotage this good. Creating an exceptional wine is a labor of love. Just ask any farmer who grows great grapes. Beyond passion and dedication, farming grapes requires perfect weather conditions, like the cool climate that produced this crisp, classic pinotage in 2018. This elegant wine is unmistakably South African. You'll get a taste of the terroir in every glass, with notes of fynbos, an Afrikaans word that describes the aromatic shrubs growing on the African Cape. Slate and graphite that complement a rich bouquet of chocolate-covered cherries. I don't know if I've ever had chocolate-covered cherries. I've had chocolate-covered strawberries, but not chocolate-covered cherries. Enjoy this wine at fresco with pork, black beans, and sweet potato fries. I love sweet potato fries. But that is the Apelico. Let's do Apelico. I like the way Apelico sounds. Apelico Pinotage. So I'm going to open this bottle from South Africa just to taste it. I will link all of the info for Firstleaf below so you guys can check them out. When I initially was put on to Firstleaf, I think I received a free box. I'm gonna try to find out. I'm gonna try to see if I can find any information on that, because I feel like my first box was free just to try it out, and maybe the first box is free if you sign up. I don't know. I can't remember, but my first box was free, and after that first box, I was hooked. So this is the Pinotage. I don't think I've ever had a Pinotage ever, but here we go. Yeah, this is really good. This is really good. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm about to have me a good old day. Bye!